Up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to on my behind me, those are some of my Sprayground collection. So hopefully you guys seen the video on my channel. So anyways, let's open this big box. I have this big box right here, and I bought this again. Is new item on their website. I think it's still guys. So I purchased this well, I think this year, last month, and I just don't have a chance to open it. So now I'm gonna unbox it to you guys, and I'm so excited. OMG guys. So this one is another backpack, and this is a very different backpack guys. So let me just see. It comes in another box because I purchased two items. If you guys don't know about the Sprayground brand, so they have an online store in New York, and I don't know about other states. Maybe the one here on my my attaché case or briefcase, it says here they have it. I don't know if it's, you know, if these are the location: Miami, California, Vegas, and what else? Yeah, so but I know they have one in New York guys. So anyways, so I bought this bag last month, and because if you sign up for a text messaging or email on their you sign up on their email list, they gonna email you or text you if they have a new release item on their you know, online store. And apparently I always receive email, and so this is new item website store. And look at this bag guys, a little bit heavy, but so it comes with this box, and it's kind of like similar to this one. And OMG, look at this backpack guys, look at this, it's amazing. I don't know, I'm speechless guys. They kind of like similar to Supreme and Louis together. Okay, let's unbox it guys. Here you go. So this one, it's called Spraygatti Revv Chaturanga Shark 1900. So this is the name for this backpack. I know it's so long, and I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna call it a Spraygatti. OMG, look at this guys, it looks like Louis Vuitton. I wish that it comes in a box. Maybe it's gonna be more expensive once they put it like a Louis, you know, like the when you buy a Louis box, I mean Louis Vuitton bag, it always comes with a box. But this one, they only put it in a cheap plastic bag like this. So this one, by the way, is still available, and this is $200. OMG, look at this guys. I've never seen a backpack like this before, but it's kind of similar to a Louis Vuitton one. They're limited edition. This one is limited edition as well. So look at this, OMG, and it's a backpack. See? Wow, OMG guys. So that backpack, every time I wear it, people are like looking at me, and then they're always asking me where did I get this bag, this one. And I don't know about this backpack, it's kind of like one of a kind too as well. So it's a box, it's kind of like a box guys, and it's, look at this, OMG. So this one doesn't have any feet, my briefcase have feet on the bottom right here. OMG, it always comes with the tag. I don't remove the tag, so I don't know why. And so let me just measure it for you. So it is 12, so about almost 14 inches tall, and then 5.5 inches. And yeah, it's a very good size backpack, and it's, look, it's solid, guys. And then they have this dollar sign pattern right here, and then it's kind of really look like a Louis. Oh, there's a little damage on the top there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this one, I don't know if it's a real leather. It doesn't look like a real leather. And then it has this material, the metal hardware on all corners, like that bag right there, the briefcase. And yeah, it looks like Louis, guys. And then their signature shark mouth in the front and all the way to the side right here. And now let's open it, guys. Okay, so it comes with this. I wish there's like a lock like this one, you know, to add more details, nice details on the bag, but they did not put any lock on the bag. Okay, let's open it. OMG, guys, look at this. It looks like this one is kind of like a velvet one on the inside. And I don't like the smell because it smells like you know, like a wood or something, because it's made of wood. And then they have this freebie. No, this is just to keep the moisture out. And then it comes with one pocket right here, envelope pocket, and then 2 pen holder, and then another pocket here, and then you can put your laptop here, and or iPod. Where's my iPod? Let me just give you an example, guys. So this is huge. You can put your 13-inch laptop. So yeah, this is like a 9-inch iPod, and there's plenty of room inside, guys. You can put a lot of stuff in here. And then inside the bag, hold on, so in the front, let me see if you guys can see it, there's like a mesh pocket here, zipper pocket. You can put a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, it's see-through, it's mesh, so you can see what's, you know, what you put inside here. Put your money in there and everything. So let me just get my laptop, okay, guys. All right, guys, so let me see if my 13-inch MacBook, oh my god, look, it fits perfectly, guys. There you go. This bag is good for travel. And this is my wallet. Sorry about that. So my wallet, my Louis wallet, and then my Louis this is eyeglass case, but I use it as a pencil case. There's still a lot of room inside, guys, right here, and it's very, I like this one because it's very organized. And I got 2 pens in here. You can put your pen in there, right there, and then you can put your you know, some stuff in here, your credit card or whatever, in here too. And then again, guys, remember there's another pocket here in the front, the mesh pocket. You can put your money in there too as well. It's very secure. And yeah, so I really love it. Yeah, look at the details, guys. And then they have the brand here, Sprayground. It's heavy, guys, if you put your stuff in here. But look at that, it is so nice. Show you guys. See? Let me wear the other one. So I'm wearing it right now. This is how it looks like on your back. And yeah, it's a very nice backpack, guys. It's like an art piece backpack. That's why it's limited edition. So guys, if you like this backpack, you can still buy it on their online store, which is sprayground.com, and it's like $200. And yeah, still available, guys. It's a very nice art piece backpack, similar to Louis, and with the mix of Supreme design, guys. So anyway, so this is more than is it 14 inches? I forget. So 12. So more than 14 inches tall, and then about 5.5 inches. And it's so deep, you can put a lot inside this bag, guys. And it's on the inside of the bag. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets and 2 pen holders. So yeah, so hopefully guys you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so again, this is still available, guys. This is the Spraygatti 1900 bag. Sorry, the name of the bag is so long and I cannot even pronounce it. So yeah, a little bit heavy, but maybe like, I don't know, 2 pounds. So this is the back of the bag, the side, and then the front. It's gonna look like a Louis Vuitton, guys. It's a very nice piece bag. So yep. So anyways, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good day.